Mya Go is with Mama Go at Penny Spend Shop. It's Henry Fix's birthday, and they're buying ingredients to make him a birthday cake.
We've got candles, flour, icing and jam. All we need now are some eggs.
Huh? The eggs are all gone.
The Make family bought them all this morning.
Oh dear. Without eggs, I can't make Henry fix his birthday cake.
I know where we can get lots of eggs, Mama. Maizey Grow's farm.
Good idea, Maya.
Mya and Mama Go are off to Maizey Grow's.
I can't wait to surprise Henry Fix with his birthday cake. But my favourite part will be singing him his birthday song. Dear Henry, it's your birthday. Dear Henry, it's today. Dear Henry, happy birthday from the town of Everyday.
Mya and Mama Go have arrived at Maizey Grow's farm.
Hello, Mya Go. Hello, Mama Go.
Are you okay, Maizey Grow?
I'm having a bit of a bad morning, Maya. First, I lost my voice. And now, my hens won't lay any eggs.
Why not?
I don't know. They usually lay first thing in the morning. How mysterious. Everything's the same as always. They got their food. It's warm in there, although cold out here.
That must be what's wrong. Don't worry, hens. I've got just the thing to warm you up when you're out. Oh no, they're running away.
That's okay. You just startled them, Maya. The hens don't need hats or scarves. We can just turn the heater up. Now, let's get these hens back inside. Maizey, where are they?
Mya Go's learning a lot about hens today, especially how good they are at hide and seek.
Huh? Where did she go?
Here, little hen. We're just looking for some eggs. Got you, you little rascal. Quick, Maya, stop that hen.
Oh, no, you don't.
Great teamwork. But where's Mama Go? Ah, there she is. And she's got an interesting way of keeping the hens in line.
It's so nice and warm in there now. I bet the hens lay 1,000,000 eggs.
That'll make a lot of birthday cake.
Hello, Mrs. Hen. Would you please lay some eggs for Henry Fix's birthday cake? Please?
I don't think she understands, Maya. Never mind. We can still give Henry Fix his other present.
And I can still sing his birthday song. Dear Henry, it's your birthday. Dear Henry, it's today. Dear Henry, happy birthday from the town of Everyday.
I know that noise.
The hens are laying. But what made them start again?
It was your singing, Maya.
Mya go every day. Mya go laugh and play. Mya go, what do we say? Mya go digging.